Hello everyone, I am Biswajit Mahato from Department of Geology of Jagannath College Purulia. Today me and my friends Victor will discuss about a topic. The topic is deep marine environment. In this presentation, we will discuss about what is deep marine environment, different parts of deep marine environment, source of sediment, different types of process that operates in this environment, and the important geomorphic features. Let's discuss the introduction part of the environment. You know that about 70% of the Earth's surface is covered by the deep marine environment, but the contribution of sediment is very less as the sedimentation rate is very slow. Besides, most of the sediments are generated into the continental part by various processes. Now, different parts of deep marine environment will be discussed. Overall, the marine environment is classified into two parts: shallow marine and deep marine environment. Shell break is considered as the boundary between shallow marine and deep marine environment. So, ocean side of the shell break is called deep marine environment. Continental slope, continental rise, abyssal plain are the parts of deep marine environment. Now come to the point, different types of process that operates in this environment. Number 1, suspension fallout, next orthogenic deposition, and the last coarse grain sediment gravity flow. Now, what is suspension fallout? Suspension fallout is the suspension settlement of fine grained particles which remain in suspension within the water column over a long period of time. We divide this suspension fallout into two basic types. Number 1, pelagic sediment and hemipelagic sediment. Pelagic sediment. Pelagic sediments are made up of suspended material that are floating in the ocean away from the shoreline and has settled on the seafloor. Now define ooze. Ooze are the pelagic sediment that contain significant amount of biogenic remain. These are also two types, calcareous and siliceous. Their example is given here. Now, hemipelagic sediments. Hemipelagic sediments are basically clay materials like red clay, black clay, and grey clay. There is a diagram. In this diagram, we notice that the suspended materials are in suspension motion. Now, come on to the orthogenic deposition. Orthogenic deposition represents the precipitation from ocean water. It may also siliceous or calcareous. For this type of deposition, some product like aragonite crystal, calcium carbonate, phosphorite are found. The last process, coarse grain sediment gravity flow. When clastic materials are deposited into the deep sea by different kinds of mass flow like debris flow, turbidity current, then it is said to coarse grain sediment gravity flow. These coarse grain sediment are coming from the slope part through the canyon. But when this coarse grain materials is supplied, these materials supplied when continental shelf become low and sedimentation rate become high. We commonly find it in case of sea level regression. Thank you everyone. Now Victor will discuss rest of the topic.
Hello everyone, I am Victor Mahato. My friend Biswajit is discuss some part of the topic. Now I am going to discuss about the geomorphic features of deep marine environment. There is a lot of geomorphic features in the deep marine environment such as canyon, seamount, guyot, megabed, apron deposit, continental deposit, etc. Let's discuss about canyon. Canyon, they are submarine river. They are very incised, generally found in the continental slope region. Next is seamount. They are very important geomorphic features. They are volcanic in nature. 3. Guyot. Guyot is flat-topped volcanic mountain. Number 4 is megabed. These features are formed due to debris flow in the continental slope. This thickness is 10 of meter and 10 of kilometer extension. Number 5, sand spillover deposit. The sediment which are deposited in the continental slope region are moved in the form of sheet. This region characterized by the slump and slide of exodus block. These are two parts. Number 1 Olistholis, the slide of the exodus block. Number 2 Olistostom, the slump of the exodus block. Now number 6 is apron deposit. Sand spillover deposit, olistholith and olistothom are togetherly known as apron deposit. 7. Conturite deposit. Another important deposit of continental slope region. They are formed by the contour current, gastrophic current, thermohaline current. These are characterized by cross-bedded silt and sand interbedded with mud. Number 8. Turbidites. Turbidites deposits are formed by the turbidity currents or density current. Complete sequence of turbidity is known as Bauma sequence. This is characterized by different phases. And the last one is submarine fan. The geomorphic features is formed continental rise region. It is similar to delta. Thank you.